Congratulations this afternoon to Paris, Mackenzie and 1CE for applying great effort towards your information report writing. Thank you, Morningside, you're doing such a great job. I still have some more here. It's been an awesome week, I think, having no parade.
Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to our channel. Today is Monday ulit. And nandito tayo sa bathroom ngayon para maiba naman. Maiba naman ang ating intro. So, tayo ay maghihilamos ng mukha. It's actually late now. But, I had a very busy morning kasi may nag-pick up ng bag. And I also packed the items na nabenta ko online para dalhin natin sa post office today. So, ngayon lang magkakatime si mami niya na maghilamos, guys. And I thought na ipapakita ko sa inyo yung current skincare ko. Currently using the Her Skin Revitaglow set. And yung nagustuhan ko talaga dito, guys, is yung sabon is very mild sa skin. Nakatry ako ng mga sabon ng mga rejuvenating set before, guys, and it's very strong. Yung parang lang kumakati talaga yung mukha mo kapag, especially kapag tinagalan mo yung paglagay sa mukha. This one is mild lang. Tapos ngayon, toner na. Malapit na siya maubos, guys, kasi it's meant to be used for 1 month. And siguro gano'n na rin. Siguro katagal ba yun? Maybe 3 weeks yung paggamit ko nito. I like it kasi after mong maglagay ng toner, tapos yung kanyang sunscreen, meron talaga siyang glow. Sana all my glow. Especially si mami niya, guys, wala nang tayo mag-makeup. No. So, dito na lang tayo mag-rely sa mga ganitong mga skincare. So, ito yung kanyang sunscreen. Ganyan. It looks small, yeah? Pero sobrang dami ng laman. Ang liit-liit niya, pero sobrang tagal ko lang ginamit. Pero konti lang naman talaga yung nilalagay ko kasi meron din akong biniling isang sunscreen. That's from Brilliant Skin naman. Yun yung ginagamit ko. Iniiwan ko sa sasakyan para just in case makalimutan ko mag-sunscreen dito sa loob ng bahay. Meron akong pang... Mommy! Yes, my love! I'm here! Hala, what's that?
That's my dress.
Your dress? Do you know your dress?
Yes.
Do you want this princess dress?
I want white.
This white? Okay. Hang on, let Mama finish her face, okay? And we'll put it on. Oh, how about you take your other dress off? Wow, flower girl.
A few moments later.
You sing first and I will blow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mommy. Happy birthday to you. Blow candles. Have blow candles.
Thank you, Leanie. Blow candles.
I did a lot. I closed it. I closed it.
You closed it. Pinapak ko lang yung ating mga items na ipopost, guys. Kasi it's already 1:30. Aalis na kami soon. Uy, careful lang. Show tita dito while you're eating the chicken.
I'm eating a chip.
You've got like Louis Vuitton handbag to ship. Dito, ito siya Louis Vuitton necktie. Pero na-seal ko na, hindi ko na makikita. And then it's another Coach bag. Blanket? I'll show you the blanket. Come. Get the blanket because you're cold. Oh my goodness. It's a bit cold here actually. But before tayo pupunta ng post office ay didiretso tayo sa school ni Ate Paris, guys. Kasi at 2:10 ay meron silang assembly. So every Monday may assembly sila. And last week, we did receive an email from Ate Paris' teacher. And nakaka-proud lang, guys. See? Rice certificate. It's not rice, not R-I-C-E, huh? It's R-I-S-E. That's a blanket, baby. Hi, Jovelyn and Michael. Congratulations to Paris, who will receive our rice certificate at assembly on Monday. Oh, get the blanket in the room then. She has been applying lots of amazing effort to her work and trying hard with her information report writing. We hope that you are able to join us at assembly in the hall commencing at 2:10 ng hapon. That's very soon, guys. So, yeah, nakaka-proud lang, guys, Ate Paris, eh? She's getting an award. Alam niyo ba, I think just like last year, so when she was at prep, she also got awarded the same thing, the rice certificate. And yung teacher, hindi pinapaalam sa kanila. So, she's got no idea na meron siyang award na tatanggapin today. At hindi niya alam na pupunta kami ni Daddy Mike. Kasi Daddy Mike is working from home. But, mag-off siya ng 2 para pupunta kami doon. And, siguro ma-excite siya. Makikita niya kami na nandoon. But, until tawagin yung name niya, hindi niya alam na may award siya. So, very, very exciting. So, papangalanan ko na lang muna para, kasi meron na akong mga ganito ba dito sa bahay. Para pagdating doon, hindi na ako kailangan magsulat-sulat ng mga details. Bayad na lang ng, postage fee. And then, tapos. Hindi pwedeng magtagal doon, guys, kasi yung mga kids. Post office. There. So, tatlo yung ipopost natin today. Nandito na kami sa labas ng school ni Ate Paris. And I think they're just walking through the hall now. Tingnan nyo, ang ating baby Celine ay gusto niya talagang yan ang suotin. It's non-negotiable. Tingnan nyo, naka-flower girl. Daddy, I don't think we want Paris to see us.
So we're gonna go this way?
Yeah, that's what I mean. I think they're just going now. They're just coming out from their classroom.
Yeah. So we're going there?
Let them go first. Oh, they just going up. I could see the door opening. Hi, Lynn!
Give me keys.
Nakalinya pa sila sa labas, guys. So, hindi muna kami magpapakita. Kasi ma-excite yan siya pag nakita niya kami kaagad. She'll be wondering, if she sees us, she'll be wondering, why is Mom and Dad here? And Lini. Yeah. Oh, I'm super excited, guys. Alam niyo? Yes, last year, nung binigyan din siya ng Rice Award sa prep siya. Talagang umiyak si mami niyo, guys. Alam niyo yung kaligayahan ng isang nanay, di ba? Kasi sino naman siguro na nanay magiging emotional din. Kasi nakaka-proud lang ba? Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Where are we going? Where are we going? They're gonna call Ate Paris' name. Paris Mackenzie! And Natty will go to the stage.
One day that's gonna be Celine who's gonna go to the stage. That morning says, let's go.
Congratulations this afternoon to Paris, Mackenzie and 1CE for applying great effort towards your information report writing. Thank you, Morningside, you're doing such a great job. I still have some more here. It's been an awesome week, I think, having no parade. Congratulations this afternoon to Harper from 4SW. Harper, your teamwork, inclusivity and support around the classroom is amazing. Keep up the good work. Sam Miller from 4SW. Congratulations for your enthusiasm, dedication to schoolwork and classroom discussions. It's fantastic. Keep up the amazing work.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should be very proud of yourself, I think. For effort, congratulations on applying great effort towards your information report writing.
Oh, the playground.
Open this one. Okay, pull it. Pull it.
Yeah.
No, this one. Yan, hindi daw niya kinain yung lunch niya lahat. Okay, pull.
Someone left
So-
there.
Oh, that's someone's maybe there. Here, ate. Eat the rest, please.
I'll eat the sandwich first.
Okay. Good girl. Okay, come on. First office time. You wanna eat the crackers? Okay, have that one.
No, I don't want.
You don't want to?
Mom. Hey guys, Louisa.
It's 4:15 ng hapon, guys, and nandito kami sa labas ng bahay ni Rose because it's her birthday today, and sabi niya may pa-cake daw sila at 4:30, but they have to leave at 5:30 for birthday dinner somewhere. So we're just here for an hour kasi in-invite nila kami kasi sing happy birthday lang tsaka mag-cake, which is very kind of her to invite us. Ayan ang ating baby Lini ay andyan. Hindi yan siya nagnap. So, good luck! And what's inside the bag, Lin? What's inside the paper bag?
A bag. It's a bag
It's a bag.
for Auntie Rose.
Oh, for Auntie Rose. Yes, that's a handbag for Auntie Rose for her birthday. Ayan, as always, yun yung ating guys, for birthday bags kasi meron tayo, madami. You ready to go?
Yes.
Yes. Ayan. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Who's there? Knock on the door. What is Happy birthday to you! Oh, Celine, so excited to show Auntie Rose.
Thank my sponsor. My sponsor.
That's Auntie Rose's as well.
To give me a present.
Is this your new dolly?
Yeah. That's Honey.
How are you? Hi, Audrey. Good to see you again.
Oh, you look amazing.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. There's a strap as well, so you can wear it like crossbody.
You guys don't have to get me presents. Well, our present will come this Friday, but
It's so beautiful.
this will be the most
I'm glad you like it.
present you get.
No, Martin is giving her Ferrari, a Lamborghini. What is it, baby?
Let's go outside. All right, Luya, outside, please.
We'll play outside. Come on.
Bring it outside.
Hi, Manita.
I'll just move this out of the way.
Oh yeah. Wait a minute. Can we? Wait, we're singing happy birthday to Auntie Rose.
I'll take a photo from my
This way.
Gracia, Luya, Gracia, we're going to stay here.
Are you gonna sing for me?
To you, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Rose.
Dear Auntie Rose.
Happy birthday
To you. Hooray! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Happy birthday! Yay!
Thank you.
Happy birthday first.
Can I have a piece? The Auntie Rose. Wait, can I have one of those?
Smile!
Henry! Wait, we have to wait for Henry!
한별아 머리 이렇게.
Look, this is so beautiful, guys. Again, here's Audrey.
Audrey balloon.
Yeah, Audrey Balloons on Instagram. Look at this. Diba? So beautiful. Yeah, because she's a rose. Yeah, this is a video. It's not photo. Yeah, cutting the cake. Ang mukha ni Celine.
Very sharp.
Patiently waiting.
Guys look like you've never seen a cake before.
Never seen a cake like that before. I ate it.
That's because this is the cake for adults.
Oh, it's not for adults.
You see how much
Maybe go
to that side too?
I love the whole attention is just.
Their faces look.
Who can tell me their homework tonight?
I can.
You didn't even go to school.
Mom.
That's so cute. I need some water, Mama.
Salini.
Hey,
Lini. Hi, hi, Lini.
I
Back
think it's
a little bit, honey girl. Thank you.
Oh, well, that'll be a shame.
Stand back and not
If it's squashed, then you won't have any.
Emmy.
I spider.
Oh, that's yours.
A piece. I want a piece. I want a piece.
Well,
Can you shake that?
Can I have that piece?
we're
Yum. Kinamay na. Mag-aalas 7 na guys, magluluto na tayo ng ating dinner. So, ayan. Mag-steak kami tonight with mushroom. Niready ko lang, but si Daddy Mike yung magluluto kasi gusto niya siya yung magluto guys. But he's still working kasi hindi siya natatapos hanggang 7 o'clock. So yung ginawa ko, naglaga na lang ako ng itlog para bukas. And then niready na ni Daddy Mike yung gagamitan niya for this one. So ang ating baby Celine ay natulog since dumating kami dito nung pagka-uwi namin. She was so suki. She was crying. She was so tired kasi hindi siya nag-nap kanina hapon. So, pinadedicate ko siya sa bed. Then, tulog na siya. Sabi na rin, huwag naman gisingin. So, yan. Kumain naman siya konti doon kina Rose kanina. Can you finish that?
What? What?
Louie, I'm not happy with you, yeah? Alam niyo ba si Louie, guys? Pagka-uwi ko kanina, yung aking Dior na shoes, goodbye. Goodbye, Dubai. He's so big now. Look at him.
Goodbye.
A little bit. Yeah. So, nginat-ngat niya yung aking shoes, guys. Pangalawang shoes na yun. Yung una, yung Louis Vuitton na wedges.
Louis.
Pero, hindi niya naputol. Yung Dior ay talagang nginat-ngat niya. Yan na? Not happy with that. Yeah? Silly boy. Silly boy. Tingnan niyo, sobrang laki na niya kumpara nung pagkakuha namin. Oh, we never thought na magiging ganito kalaki si Louis. Did you try to weigh him
No.
recently?
He won't stay on it.
But you can carry him by yourself.
Yeah, but I'm strong.
Huh?
Yeah, but I'm strong. You can try carrot.
La.
Okay.
Come. Come, Mama. Don't kiss me. Don't kiss me. Okay, look at this. It's a big boy.
Let me stand away from him. That's like to see him from different.
Look. Sige, Daddy. Lala. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Gi.
Da-da-da-da. Ow.
Daddy. Lala.
Huh?
Put him down. No, tingnan niyo, parang tao. Oh. No. Down.
The way to brute.
Down. So, ito pala yung... Ay! No, this is from PBM. Pakita ko sana yung award. Ito yung certificate natin para sa prep. Ito yung sa year 1. Are you proud of your daughter, Daddy?
I'm very proud of my daughter. She's already achieved more academically than I have.
Congratulations on applying great effort towards your information report writing. So last year, she
June.
had it on the 19th of June. This year is 10th of May. Writing. It's all about like writing. Kasi, nung prep siya, sabi naman dito, for making great effort with rhyme writing. Rhyme writing, this one is report writing.
Did you have a good laugh at Mr. Guilford or whatever his name is?
I don't know.
Yeah.
What?
Everybody takes a breath. I want you to breathe first. Because I need you to focus.
Yeah. I want your body facing me. I want your eyes facing me. Look like this. Bob, they should be. They're teachers, you know, like it's
Why would your teacher say that?
what's the word? It's what's the word for that, Daddy? Discipline.
I'll discipline you tonight. Look, he's like, I'll discipline both of you. How are you? I'm good.
Apple. I've got it. I've got an apple. Celine enjoyed the cake, Bob. She was standing or sitting behind Martin while Martin was like slicing the cake.
And was Rose, is she loving Rose again?
No. Happy birthday, Auntie Rose.
Well, Lini said. Is Paris doing a retard?
No.
Hey guys, it's night time now. So I'm just eating some dinner, and there's some steak and mushrooms. So I already had some steak, so I'm going to eat the mushrooms.
Just gonna mix it in with the steak, yeah. We good?
What do you think of Dali's cooking? Steak and mushroom. You'll be right out. In a second. Nagising ng ating Inday. Ayan, no?
Classic.
What is it? Daddy.
Yeah.
Huh?
What you said to me?
Daddy, I have a headache.
Huh?
I'm losing my mind.
It's like this to me, Daddy. Mommy, I have a headache. And I said, like, go drink a little water. Because I'm losing my mind. All the stuff they learn from YouTube.
Mommy! No.
From school, where did you learn?
Down.
Oh, what's up there, Daddy? What's up there, Daddy, that Lily can have?
Mine, I didn't even
Nothing is good.
Mine.
Nothing
I didn't even learn it from anywhere.